The first unwitting theorist of comfort food was Proust, who found in the scent of madeleines that mix of pleasure and sweet nostalgia of memory diving. Everyone has their own special food, but some are so universally comforting that their very thought cuddles us, like a hot, spiced and velvety soup to be enjoyed on a cold autumn evening when the wind blows outside and makes the leaves fall swirling. Today's recipe is just like that. Pumpkin soup with golden croutons, the bright side of autumn. For the pumpkin soup, I'll need bread for the croutons, salt, pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, vegetable broth, pumpkin, potatoes, onion and oil. I'll immediately take a drizzle. And onion. Low flame, it will have to brown and it will take about 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll take care of the other vegetables. We dice the pumpkin, removing the skin first. I have already removed the seeds from this pumpkin, but if yours still has them, you can toast them in a pan or in the oven and salt them and make a snack or something crunchy to add to the soup. Let's remove all the green parts and let's cut it into thin slices that will then cut into cubes like this. The smaller the cubes, the quicker the soup will cook. We're done with the pumpkin, let's prepare the potatoes. Let's peel them. Potato peels are also underestimated. In fact, they can be fried and become very tasty crisps. Now let's dice it. More or less the same size as the pumpkin. You don't need to be very artful, since at the end we'll mash everything. The first potato is gone, let's keep going with the others. The onion has browned just the way I wanted, so we can go ahead with the vegetables. Let's add the pumpkin. And the potatoes. Let's give it a little stir to flavor it well. And let's start adding some vegetable broth until all the vegetables are covered. Now let's bring it to a boil, then cook for 25-30 minutes, adding more broth if necessary. While the vegetables cook, we take care of the croutons. So bread. Let's dice it. I have already lined the dripping pan with parchment paper. Let's place the bread here. A drizzle of oil to sprinkle them a little. And now in the oven in grill mode for 5 minutes. We have reached the end of cooking. It's time to season with salt and pepper. A nice pinch of salt because the pumpkin is sweet, pepper, a generous grind. It's time to blend. Let's turn off the stove, remove the ladle. The soup is ready. It's time to flavor it. Cinnamon. That really smells of autumn. And nutmeg. Of course, with spices, you can go with your taste, some more or a little less. The important thing is that the final result is just what you wanted. I like it nice and spicy, so never less than half a nutmeg. Final stir and we can serve. With this steaming soup on your plate, a warm blanket and a crackling fireplace are the only things missing for the perfect evening. So now please excuse me, I just have to snuggle up in the warmth.
Bon appétit!